Etin, you come up with CPA experience in the your domain experience in Countable, whereas tech platform is taken care of by your in-house tech team, or do you outsource the tech to some other place?
It's actually both, and I did a design thinking course from MIT as well. And when I came out, I knew that if you're looking to build business was something that I learned when I was with the firm. So learning business and doing business and how to really look at the intricate aspects of building a team, building processes, building tech is all part of the same business. We're always in people business. We're not in accounting or other businesses and everything. It's always about buying someone's, not buying, but getting someone's time and then solving someone's problem using the resources that you have. And people are the best resources and the most valuable assets we have today. So working with an accounting firm, I think I did have an understanding around how to work with people, and which is very, very, very important, way more important in my belief, is the tech component. The tech is what immediately jumpstarts, like create that disruptive moment. But then once you created that moment, now you want to actually expand that in the world. And you need people, unless we are in a scenario where we do have that cognitive AI scenarios that are helping you grow that as well. In some cases, Amazon is going in that direction. As you can see, we will probably live in the world where both sides live and helping deploy technologies and transformation faster. From my perspective, when I was coming out, I knew that I understand the problem really well, living that pain for a good number of years. But the tech is something that is prominent, and luckily I live in the world where the digital transformation is happening much faster pace than it ever was even 20 years ago or 10 years ago. So the resources were available. All I had to do was aligning those resources with my purpose. Do I have enough buy-in in the world that says, hey, you're doing something valuable, I think I'd like to join you. And no matter what we do, whether it's co-founders or the right team or the right size, there is that alignment that is absolutely needed. We got an investor alignment, people who came with the purpose. More than half of our investors are from the professional community who understand that pain, and they said, we see the vision. And then there are some types of investors who are supporting other smaller investors, so they have a different mandate. They're looking for ROI for all the right reasons because they have an obligation towards their investors. So we went through all that different cycle, and from coming back from a tech perspective, it's still evolving. Every day we talk about machine learning and incorporating blockchain and incorporating something else. In 5 years from now, we may have a completely different concept of how technology should function. I just feel really grateful that anybody, the message is anyone who has the right passion and really truly looking to solve, if they just go and take that leap of faith, you will find way more support than you initially thought there is. It may seem extremely challenging, but if you are coming from a position of grit and a position of willpower and saying, I'm going to continue trying, the failure is only a failure when you accept it. Otherwise, it's always learning. You just keep on trying, and I guarantee from my own perspective that I've seen consistently over and over that you will find our truth. You may not find the truth that you like it to hear, but you will find our truth that he can live by and find peace in that and continue moving forward. And from that point onwards, it becomes easier and easier and easier.
Excellent, wonderful. Great points again, Etin. I think we all can use these points. Sit back and relax and think about all these things, because even if you see Bill Gates or anybody else, they always used to take like a week off. They call it think week, and reflect on your actions, reflect on what you're doing, and think of a bigger purpose and try to achieve the bigger purpose so that you feel fulfilled. Your life is more meaningful. Thank you so much, Etin, for being at home.